transmitted at the request of the Roberts County Emergency Manager. A wildfire is burning along portions of Highway 70, which is now closed between County Roads 251 and 252. Officials request that the public and residents avoid the area so that firefighters may access the fire unhindered. Residents near the fire should stay posted to local reports for further information. Transmitted at the request of the Lela County Emergency Management. A fast-moving grass fire is threatening residents in Lela this afternoon. The Lela County Emergency Management and local fire officials have requested an immediate evacuation for the town of Lela. Please take heed of this order and follow instructions from local officials. Messages transmitted at the request of the Gray County Emergency Management. A fast-moving grass fire is threatening residents in Pampa this afternoon. The Gray County Emergency Manager and local fire officials have requested an immediate evacuation of Walnut Creek in Kentucky near northwest Pampa. Residents in northwest Pampa should be prepared to take action. Please take heed of this order and follow instructions from local officials. Messages transmitted at the request of the Gray County Emergency Managers of the City of Pampa. A fast-moving grass fire is threatening residents in Pampa this afternoon. The Gray County Emergency Manager and the City of Pampa have requested an immediate evacuation of the west side of Pampa. Residents in the eastern portion of Pampa should be prepared to evacuate on a moment's notice. Please take heed of this order and follow instructions from local officials. Messages transmitted at the request of the Carson County Emergency Management. An ongoing grass fire continues to threaten the city Skelly Town this evening. The Carson County Emergency Manager and the city of Skelly Town advise residents that the evacuation order for Skelly Town remains in place. Residents should evacuate to the Baptist Church in White Deer and stay away from the area. Please continue to take heed of this order and follow instructions from local officials. Messages transmitted at the request of the Lela County Emergency Management. A large grass fire continues to burn in southern Lela County with Interstate 40 closed between State Highway 70 to Shamrock. Emergency Management advises residents in the community of Shamrock to prepare to take action. Residents not in the area and the public are advised to stay away from the region so that firefighters may access the fire unhindered. Please stay tuned to local media and officials for the latest information.